You're welcome to this video guide. In this guide, I'm going to be passing you through how to get started in cryptocurrency business. How to get started in cryptocurrency business, how, and we are going to be looking at these three things: cryptocurrency wallet, cryptocurrency exchangers, and cryptocurrency trading platform. What do you mean by cryptocurrency wallet? Cryptocurrency wallet is like the bank where you put your money. So cryptocurrency wallet is the place you put your cryptocurrency. So we have many platforms that allows you even to keep your cryptocurrency. So I'm going to be mentioning them and I'm going to be guiding you through. So to get started with cryptocurrency, you must have a wallet. That is where your cryptocurrency will be. The crypto you want to buy, that's where you're going to keep it. So one of them is blockchain.com. So blockchain.com, to get started with it, you need to click on sign up. When you click on sign up, it will bring you down here. So it brings you down here, then you click on create wallet. So when you click on create wallet, you fill this from email, password, and you'll be given two major things and your password. Those, you have a long character that has dash in it. That long character and dash in it is what you're going to be using to log in into your account with them. Why the other one long character that does not have dash is your Bitcoin, is your Bitcoin address. So you have many other cryptocurrency address you are going to be getting from here. So when you, like now, me I have an account there, I will just log in so that you can see what I'm talking about. So when you log in like this, it will tell you to authorize this login. So it sends a code, a login stuff into your email. But in this case, I have been around this platform, so that's why it's not asking me. So when it's asking you, it is not, no, it's the normal thing. So now this is the way, this is how it looks. In this side, you will see all the coin. These are the coin. These are the cryptocurrency. You have Bitcoin, you have Ether, you have Bitcoin, Cash, Stellar, like that. So all of these ones are what they are. They can give you wallet for it. They are helping you to keep it, and they can give you address for it. So to get address, which is like account number, to get the account, you just come to require request. So when you come down here, you will see a lot of them like this. If you just click on any of them like this one now, this is the address. When you click on this, you can copy this and give it to anybody to pay you. When they pay to it, it will be reflected on under Bitcoin. Then if it is Ether too, when it gives you another different address, this is, you click on this to copy it. So when you copy it, you give it to anybody or any exchanger, they will pay, they send money into it, and the money will be received here. Then if you want to send money, you just come to this place, the address you want to send it to, that means you have gotten some money here. Which currency do you want to send? You click it here, then you can now put the address where it's going to, the amount here, then you just click continue, then to send it to that place. So that's how basically. And if you want to swap, let's say you have a currency, you have a cryptocurrency and want to change it to another one, you can come down here, you can choose any of the currency you want to, you have money in, and choose the one you want to change it to. So it will swap it, and you now have the other cryptocurrency. So that is that about this. Just register with them and log in and start. It's just very easy, it's not difficult at all. The next one I want to talk about is Roku. Roku allows you to also have a wallet address, and they also had as exchanger. Exchanger in the sense that you can pay to them to buy cryptocurrency. can pay to them to buy. These are cryptocurrency they are dealing with. So you can pay in your currency, maybe in naira or any currency you want to pay. You can pay to them. They work worldwide. They work in Nigeria, they work in Ghana, they work in they work worldwide. So depending, by the time you look into this your platform, no matter the part of the world you are, you just see that it's in your currency they are dealing with you. They are very solid and they are recognized worldwide. So here now, if you want to get started, you have to load this place with money. If you want to buy cryptocurrency from them. So what do? You just click on deposit. So from here now, you can just, how much do you want to, let's say I just want to 2000 naira. So this is the amount of in US. Just proceed. Which method do you want to use to pay? I want to pay through bank transfer. So through bank transfer now, if I say I want to pay, I just need to send money to this place. Either I use code or no, bank code or any transfer or anything. So far the money hits this account, is going to be, credited into this platform for me. So we also have, Wema Bank too. These are the two banks they use. When you pay to this place, it will be seen in your account the amount you pay. Then you can also use your card. I'm presently using my card. So when I click on this now, if I just click on this and click this money will be removed in my account, and the amount of that money will be reflected on my account. That is the method in which you use to deposit. So you just see that you now have 2000 naira here. So with that 2000 naira here, you can now say, okay, I want to buy crypto. Just click on, now click on instant buy, because you can buy, you can sell. If you have cryptocurrency on this your platform, maybe you have received it from anywhere, you can say you want to sell and it will be credited to your bank account. But now we have put money in our account with them and we want to buy. So you just click on buy. When you click on buy, it tells you which currency, cryptocurrency you want to buy. I say I want to buy Tron. Okay, how much Tron you want to buy? I don't have 2000. I want to buy Tron of 2000. Then I just say purchase. See, they say that if I want to purchase 2000 Tron, then 40 naira is their charge, which is 2%, which is a very very low compared to other ones. It's telling me that I have insufficient, but if I have enough money, this is the amount of Tron I'm going to buy. So that's how you just simple way you get your normal money into this place and use it to buy any of the cryptocurrency and use it for whatever you want to use it for. So now imagine, suppose I have some cryptocurrency now I have made and I want to convert it to money. How do I convert it? I just come down here, I say I want to sell. So now I have which cryptocurrency I want to, okay, I have some cryptocurrency, let me just sell it. So they say, okay, I want to sell, I want to convert this to naira now. I just click on sell. They are telling me that this is the amount of money I will be able to get. You get this is the amount of money I will be able to get. You see, when I accept like this, it will convert the cryptocurrency, no matter the any of them, it will convert it to naira for me, and I can now come down here and click on, you just see it here, and I can come here and click on withdraw. How do I want to withdraw? I want to withdraw through my bank account. Good. They have known my bank account because when I'm registering, I have put my bank account. When the part of the you go to you go to you go to you go to profile and put in your, you go to setting here, you push in your bank account, so that at any time you want to withdraw, the money will be sent to that bank account. You have opportunity of pushing about 10 of them. So when you come down here, you have opportunity of pushing about 10 of them into accounts. So I only have one account here. I was told that you have opportunity of having 5 bank accounts you can push into this place to be able to receive your money. So you can move around here. Those are the basic things you need to know. You just move around, and at any time you want to, let's say somebody want to pay you in Bitcoin, want to convert it to naira, what do you give to that person? You come to this place and click on receive Bitcoin. So you pick this Bitcoin address, give it to that person, By the time the person pay into it, you just see the money reflecting here. Then what do you now do? You convert that money. You come here and sell the Bitcoin, and you now have the money here. Then you withdraw the money to your bank account. Just as simple as that. And if you want to send Bitcoin, let's say I want to send this in this, maybe there's a program I'm doing, and I need to send Tron to that place. I'll just click on send. So I will give, they will have given me an address, a long character like this. So I'll push it here, push the amount I want to pay to that people. I just click proceed, because I have some Tron here I want to send out. Yeah, it's just as simple. When I discovered this Roku, they could make it a lot easier for me to transact as fast as possible. I can do it within some 15 minutes. I've been able to buy cryptocurrency, and I've been able to push it to wherever I want to push it to. So this is both a wallet, cryptocurrency wallet, and also an exchanger. So I want to get us to a cryptocurrency trading platform, cryptocurrency trading platform in which we can always be trading, in which we can trade at any, a place we can trade at any given time. So what do you need to do? This is a Polionis. Polionis is a platform which you can trade cryptocurrency. So what do? You come around here and sign up. It's easy. You just put your email and some little thing, you sign up. Then you can now, you find yourself in this place. Then you can go into your wallet. Let me see whether, I think I've logged in. So this is my wallet. What do you need to do? You come when you get, okay, I still have some money here, which is some Tron. I think I have some little Tron here. So what do? You deposit. You come down here. If it's a Tron you want to deposit, just type Tron. When you type Tron, what happens? You just see that you can click on this. They'll give you this Tron address. You click on it to copy it, and you can take it to Roku, and from there you can transfer Tron to this place, and now can use it for trading. So this is a trading platform. Let's click on that change and see how it looks. It's a trading platform in which you can trade cryptocurrency. They appeared. You see, this one is Tron to BTC. So you see a lot of them here, a lot of other cryptocurrency pair here. Are you getting it? So this one is just very very similar to how you trade forex. Because I'm very good, because of my knowledge of forex allows me to be able to trade cryptocurrency easily. So many people that are not really vast, what they just do is to see the market is low, let me just, because when the market is low, what do? You buy, because definitely the market want to move up. When the market is high, what do? You sell, because the market will, like this one, market is high now and it's now coming down. So this is selling, coming down. So there are some other things around here which is beyond the scope of this video I'm doing, because you need to learn the indicator, you need to learn what are the, because there are some principles that make it to come down, that make it to go up, which is important than one learn. So this is a platform, is one of the top 3 platform in the world that you can trade, you can trade cryptocurrency. So this is what this is a triple platform. We have some other ones too, but this is a very good one which I use. Then in this video you have been able to learn how to get started with cryptocurrency business, how to create a wallet, how to load your wallet, how to transfer, how to swap from one cryptocurrency to the other, and how to get started trading, the platform you can use in trading. So that is it for this for this video. Thank you very much.